In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails from Monday.com using the Supermail app. First, make sure you have Supermail installed from the Monday.com app marketplace. Once it's installed, open your Monday.com account and head over to the board where you manage a single project. This is where we'll design and send our email. Inside that board, look for the Supermail, email automation view or widget, and click it. This opens the Supermail interface directly inside Monday.com, so you don't have to leave your workflow. Next, we'll create the email template. Click the option to create a new template. When the template window opens, you'll see different layout and editor options. Click on the highlighted template area to start customizing, then switch to the text-based editor. If you see more than one option for a text-based editor, just make sure you select it so you can work with a clean, flexible layout that's easy to reuse. Once you're in the editor, confirm your choice if prompted by clicking the highlighted confirmation button, then click Create Template. This saves the basic shell of your email so you can start adding content blocks. Now let's design the email body. Open the Content section, then again, choose Content so you see all the available blocks such as text, dividers, images, and social icons. Click the highlighted areas to add and configure each block. Add a divider to visually separate sections, add an image for your logo or header, and then add social blocks so people can find your social profiles directly from the email. Use the highlighted fields to type in your subject line and main message. When you're happy with the layout and wording, click Save to store this template for future use. Next, we need to connect an email account. Click the highlighted settings or account area in Supermail, then choose Add Email Account. Select the option to sign in with Google. A Google sign-in window will open. Pick the account you want to send from, review the permissions, and click Continue through the prompts until the connection is confirmed. This authorizes Supermail to send emails on your behalf. Back in Monday.com, you're ready to send. Click Send Now, then choose your recipients or type an email address. Select your connected work account as the sender and click Send. You can also link the email to a specific item, like a particular task in your project board, by selecting the item and confirming the sender account again before sending. Finally, use the highlighted controls in Supermail to review or close the sending window. Your email is now sent directly from Monday.com using the template and account you just set up.